In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wrike account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect during the deletion process, so there are no surprises. Keep in mind that deleting an account is permanent and can affect access to projects and data tied to it, so proceed only if you're sure. Start in your Wrike workspace on a desktop browser. Look to the upper left corner and click the sidebar icon to open the main navigation. From there, click your profile photo or initials to open your account menu. In that menu, select Settings. This takes you to the area where your profile and account controls live. On the Settings page, you may see multiple sections. Open the Settings section associated with your account details. The deletion option is located there, not in general navigation. Once you're in the right spot, scroll down the page until you see the Delete My Account option near the bottom. Click Delete My Account to begin the deletion flow. A warning screen will appear outlining what deletion means. Read it carefully so you understand the impact on your access and any shared items. When you're ready to continue, click Continue Deletion. Wrike will ask for an additional confirmation to prevent accidental clicks. Go ahead and click Delete My Account again to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a reason for leaving. Select the reason that best matches your situation. You'll also see a comment box. Enter a brief comment to provide context. Clear, concise feedback can help improve the product experience for others. To verify that you're the account owner, Wrike will ask you to enter your password. Type your current password exactly as you use it to sign in. This security check is standard and protects your account from unauthorized changes. With your reason selected, your comment entered, and your password confirmed, click Delete My Account one final time to complete the process. After you confirm, Wrike will process the request and you'll be signed out. You may receive a confirmation email, and depending on the plan and data retention policies, the deletion may be irreversible. If you manage shared spaces or belong to a larger organization, the impact could extend to connected items, so make sure you're deleting the correct account. That's it. You've successfully navigated to settings, found the deletion controls, confirmed the warnings, provided feedback, verified your identity, and finalized the deletion. If anything on your screen looks different, it's usually just a layout update. Look for your profile menu, the settings area, and the Delete My Account link near the bottom of that page.